morning guys. Now we're going to Skierat. No, Bosneka. At magsiswimming tayo. Hello everybody, kasama natin yung dalawang tropa natin sa likod. Kasama natin si Ralphie at si Shin. Ayan natin mga tropa. Let's go Bosneka, here we come. To Bosneka. Good morning Rabat, Morocco. Tunnels mga kaibigan. Dahil natin sila. Alright, magsiswimming po kami ngayon sa Bosneka, around 40 kilometers from Rabat. So isang stretch lang ng isang stretch lang to, no? Alright mga kaibigan, now we are leaving the city of Rabat. We are now starting to enter Temara. I am accompanied by two guys, my good friends Ralphie and Shin. They are riding behind me. Alright, see you in the road when I see you guys. Alright, we are now entering super highway in Morocco. A very nice super highway. Yeah, it's 1 kilometer from here. We will exit. Ayaw natin magbayad ng toll gate. So we will exit to Harhora, so we cannot disturb those high-speed automobiles. We will exit from here and we will use the national road. It should be better for us so we can see a lot of things around. It's a boring super highway. Goodbye. Welcome to the municipality of Harhora in Temara. We are on our way directly to Bosneka. We will keep using the national way. Look at that, man. Very nice view. Woo, nice. الدراري معايا جوج المواطر. entering Skerat, Morocco, around 35 kilometers away from Rabat. Kasama pa rin natin ang ating dalawang tropa, mga kaibigan. Nasa likod sila, ayan, makikita nyo. Alright, welcome to Skerat, Sharat. Alright, we are now entering Bosnica Beach. Magsi-swimming na tayo. Drand Bosnica sa Markom, guys. Poshkul Shimzian Bosnica.
And so much for that, mga kaibigan. Ganun-ganun lang nakaraos ang ating isang buong araw sa pag-enjoy sa ating beach swimming. Today, spend tayo ng almost 12 hours sa dagat, and we are on our way now going back home to Rabat. And see you guys on the other side, and peace out, man.